Here's a little quick gear video here. A friend of mine gave me these. It's two 4-bar tries. Both of them have issues. One of them has no sound control, which is this unit. And the other one he gave me has, what's wrong with it? It had the displays out on it. So if you have one of these, I'm sure you're very familiar with how sorry these cases are. They are the worst. As you see, this one has duct tape holding the front of it together, the back of it rather, the hinge. Both the zippers are broken off. And as y'all know, probably this is nothing but, most cases are like this, to be fair, styrofoam inside with some felt lining on it. Now, I've dealt with these in a couple of ways, but you see how threadbare this is. The ones that we bought for our band, look at that, see, that's what I'm talking about. The ones we bought for our band, the zippers broke on them the first or second time we used them, and I'm not joking about that, dead serious. And so anyway, what I've done is repackage these. Now, I have taken a base case and put this in here, and it worked out pretty good on one of the larger units that we had. It fit almost perfect, but that's an expensive option if you don't have an old crusty case like we did. So this is the fix for this. That is a Plano double rifle case. And does it fit exactly? Well, I'll show you. It fits pretty close. So you do have to do a little small mod to them. As you see, it fits in it really good. And you see how close that is. It doesn't get any closer than that, which is good because it holds it good. It's got these little deals here that kind of keep it from moving around. So one thing you have to do here is, if you can see this on the side here, I drilled another hole to bring this bracket up further. There's enough room to do that and to still clear the top of this, and these still move around just fine like they are. Doesn't cause any problems. In fact, I think it looks better. So anyway, that's what you do. That's these cases used to be about $30. They're a little bit more than that now because of, obviously inflation is what it is. But as you can see, it's a tight fit, but it does close just fine. And I've got a couple of these that I've done this with, and they're very durable, and you could throw them around in your trailer or your van or whatever you're hauling your gear in. You don't have to worry about the stuff getting broken. I did remove, I don't know if you guys noticed, on the top there, I did remove the foam there. It's too tight with the upper foam in it. And I just took some headliner adhesive and glued in a piece of indoor-outdoor carpet. So there you go. Hope that helps you guys and your sorry-ass Chauvet cases.